Carson Lake Nature Park, and I really need this because of all that online school and stuff. So today is my break. We're gonna be hiking and having some fun. Come on guys, let's go. Hey guys, look, it's a bald eagle. I heard they're very famous. It's so cool. Wow. They stand proudly like that. I heard they're very famous. I saw one flying over my school when I was going to the cafeteria. It was so cool. Okay guys, let's go see the other animals. Oh, but I think there's owls in there. Let me see. There's this screech owl. Yeah, they're all the way over there in the corner. Do you see them? They're like right over there. It's kind of hard to because they're blending in with the wood. But come on, let's go check this out. Look guys, I wonder what this is. Let's go check. Hello. It's a red-tailed hawk instead of a red-shouldered hawk. Whoa! Gotta be quiet. Whoa! I bet he doesn't want to move. Excuse me. I'm trying to say hello. Please look at me. Yes. Hi. Okay, come on. Let's go check out together. Is it just me, or are those really big? They're turkey vultures. They look nothing like turkeys. Oh, I think I heard of turkey vultures. But they don't look like turkeys. Well, all I know is that they're big. Let's go see if there's any more birds. Probably around here. More of those turkey things. Hello, bonjour. How are you? Looks like they're living happily together. Okay, let's keep going. Mom. Let's see if there's any more birds, because these birds are awesome. I think we've got a playground over there. Okay guys, we're here at the trail. Now it's time to go hike. Let's go. It's a hot day, and I knew we wouldn't be too hot on this trail because there's trees surrounding us. Oh, guys, we have a decision. Let's see this side. The trail is this way. Okay, come on, guys. Now we passed some pond. Let's head to the pond. Guys, this is awesome. This trail, there's so much wildlife, so many trees to keep us shaded. This is awesome. We're going to continue going until we get to the pond. Yeah. Oh, we have a ton over here. We don't want to go through the woods. We'll find a way out. Okay. Which way, guys? I think we'll go this way, and then maybe later we can go the other way. Guys, I think we found a way. I think I see the pond. I'm so excited. I wonder what's going to be in the pond. Maybe turtles and fish. Hopefully big fish. Oh, we got a puddle. Oh, one side. Always need to do that on hiking. Watch where you're going. We reached it. We reached the pond, and then we can look there and then go that way. Look at it. Beautiful. We got some birds flying. Beautiful, guys. Let's check out. Guys. Whoa. Way more water than I was thinking. Hey guys, we can look over here for the view. Come on, let's go check it out. Safety. It's beautiful. Well, let's continue going. Oh, guys, check out that sign. Alligator Creek, Restoration Area, Lake. We should take not such the obvious way. Look, guys, I think these are pine saplings. Wow, they're already getting big. Soon they're going to become big, beautiful pine trees. Wow, that's a lot of them. Come on, guys, let's go back to our hiking trip. Okay, so we're not going to go straight down. We're going to head this direction. Okay, good. Interesting. Oh, hey guys, I'm just doing some investigation with my magnifying glass, my trusty one. I'm seeing if there's anything, I would say, shiny like this. So, yeah. Whoa. Look at this rock. This is a keep eye. Let's put that with the other investigation stuff. Let's look around. Maybe we could find something interesting. Whoa, guys! Look! I made a triangle. It's rainbow. I heard that it's so hot it could burn ants. So yeah, let's look around for more. Did this show read my mind? Look how interesting this is. Okay, guys, we did a lot of investigation. Ooh, this is also a keyboard. Let's head. Sorry. So much We were walking and something interesting just came up. Look at this tree. It looks like it got hit by lightning. Thank goodness it didn't fall. And then it'll fall on that tree. Or it could have started a forest fire. But we should investigate just for safety. Oh man. It does. Oh, yeah. know what it is. So if you remember last night, it was lightning outside. This tree got struck by lightning. This is how I know. The inside is wet. It's still wet, see? So that means lightning struck it and the rain went in it. So that means it got hit by lightning. Thank you very much. Moving on. It's awesome here, but that was a cool tree that we just investigated. But I wonder where we should go. Whoa, look at this place. It's awesome. I wonder what this is. I've heard about it, but I forgot the name. Ah, bug. Interesting. Well, can't know what it is without any calculations, but I know some of you might know, so if you do, that's good. You are a true investigator. Okay, guys, here's the video challenge. If we go that way, we have one way. If we go that way, we have two ways. And if we go that way, we have another two ways. This way. The dirt path is always the best path. That's just, I just made that. The dirt path is not always the best path. Now we have two choices again. I want to go through the scariest side. Look, guys, there's like this yellow water. I think we're in a swamp. I think there's something in the roots that makes it yellow. I wish we were on that platform so I could do some investigating of the water. But, whoa, there's more over here. Looks like apple juice. Looks like apple juice. Well, moving on. Oh yes, give me that breeze. Oh, it's hot, I'm sweating. But hey, it was worth it. This is very fun. Okay guys, it's been a beautiful day, a wonderful hike, so much mystery, so much investigation. But I'm pretty tired. So I hope you like this video. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys another time. Chicken Pie gotta go now. Peace, stay safe.